Hello everybody, my name is Dora, I'm 9 years old and welcome to Dora Poetry. I'll be reciting a poem about nature, our physical world, respect and explore. When water meets land, our beautiful shore, mountain we conquer, look down in awe. If you're an artist, make sure you draw. Nature exciting, adventurously new. Such more to see than a sky that is blue. That confirms so much. Open your eyes. Hope for today. Wish every sunrise. Nature shall feed body and soul. Some calls it home, another a home. Memories are nurtured when nature reviews. Sharing is pleasure, amazing that feels. Thank you. And if you like this video, subscribe, go to our YouTube channel and subscribe in Jubadak Beauty Home and comment. Thank you.